Hey guys, this is DJ at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we've got two pieces here. We've got a teapot. We've also got a mermaid cookie jar. These were recently in a very tragic house fire, and we're going to try to clean up the soot with soda blasting. Try to remove as much of the soot as possible while also retaining the paint. So let's give it a try. As you can see, baking soda removed the soot without taking off the paint or damaging the pieces. So here's another application for vapor honing. If you have any other questions or comments, please give us a call at 828-202-5563 and follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.